Oh, my bitch. Oh, my bitch is bad. Boo. Yeah. Run to the store. I ain't even gotta go to the store. I'm just gonna run to the store. Because I miss my hoe. You did. Yeah. Eat that. Yeah. And this ain't no running hoe. Yeah, got the package in for my partner, them. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, that motherfucker hard. Yeah, what this is? This that Bentley collection. Yeah, just showing you all you can get. Cups. We finna get the furniture. We getting the kids' bikes. Yeah, man. Straight from my partner. Yeah. Be extraordinary. You see what the book say?
Got just a little bright motherfucker, a little big
Nah.
He got the Bentley truck, man. That's all he need, dog.
Dang, man. Our folk tripping, man. Yeah. Be extraordinary. Yeah, man. Give you some lessons on your book when you buy this shit. That's why they call you bitch.
My boy said about to buy the Bentley truck.
Yeah, man.
Hey, hard work pay off, man. We've been doing on the grind for years. It's paying off.
It's paying off, man. We came a long way from the goal. We started off
$1,500 a show. Now look what we got.
Yeah, we going 160 and shit down, man. Niggas ain't fucking with us, huh? And stayed down our 4 years.
During the whole time, the whole 4. Yeah, it's all love, baby.
Security that loves you.
I'm trying to tell you.
Sorry, guys. We got back.
Hey, come in, do your thing.
Hey, man. All set buying the Bentley truck.
Yep. All right. We're getting the paperwork ready.
I'm trying to tell you.
Okay.
All right.